How do I prove dental malpractice? Hi, I'm attorney George Tait, and I have helped hundreds of people across Utah when they've been harmed by their dentist. Proving dental malpractice requires essentially three things. One, a deviation from the standard of care. Two, what we call causation. And three, damages. Let's talk about each of those. Number one, deviation from the standard of care. Now, the standard of care is determined by expert testimony. It's what any reasonable dentist should do when they're providing care for you. Essentially, it boils down to what a dentist should have done or what he didn't do, that any ordinary dentist should do when they're caring for you. The second thing is causation, what we call causation. In other words, whatever the dentist did that he should not have done or failed to do, something he should have done, it has to cause the problem, okay? Directly caused. In legal terms, that's called proximate cause. But what you have to have is number one, the deviation from the standard of care, and two, the causation. And number three, you have to have damages. Something has to have happened, usually catastrophic or very harmful, that resulted from the care that deviated from the standard and caused the problem. So let me tell you a story. It's a story about a woman, let's call her Mary, goes into the dentist to have some implants placed in her lower mandible. There's a thing called the 2 millimeter rule in dentistry. The implant should be at least 2 millimeters away from the inferior alveolar nerve canal. That's a nerve that runs along the bottom of your jaw. Dentists have to stay 2 millimeters away, or else they can crush the canal, cause injury to the nerve, and that's exactly what happened to Mary. The implant didn't go through the nerve, but it came close enough that it crushed the bone that runs along and protects the inferior alveolar nerve. So when he crushed it, it's just like a tunnel with the nerve inside it, and he crushes the tunnel, injuring the nerve. That resulted in permanent harm and a lifelong pain for, we'll call her Mary. I've had a few clients like this, and it's a terrible injury, and it happens with some frequency. I've had many cases like this. Anyways, that's what happens, and that's how you prove dental malpractice. If you or a family member or friends have any questions about dental malpractice, I'm happy to answer them. Reach out to us, call us, send us an email, text us, whatever. Go to our page, George Tait Law. Happy to answer any questions that you have. And please, take care out there. Look after yourselves. Bye for now.